Are you wanting fresh potatoes in your garden this year but don't have much space? Stay tuned to find out how we use laundry baskets to achieve our goal. You want to start with a bag of seed potatoes, and I've linked some below for you. Make sure that they're sprouted at the eyes of the potato, and you're going to cut between the sprouts or the eyes of the potatoes so that you can have multiple potatoes to plant from one potato. So it's been 24 hours and these are what our potatoes look like. You can tell they have a little bit of a film on them. So we're going to take these outside and show you how to plant them. To plant them in the laundry baskets, you're going to need, of course, laundry baskets. These are some older laundry baskets that we've already had, so they're kind of breaking at the top a little bit, but we have plenty of room to put potatoes down there. You're going to need some hay. You're going to need dirt and your potatoes. We're also going to go get a drill, and we're going to drill some holes in the bottom of these. So we're going to use this drill, and I just have a drill bit that will drill a hole. And we'll just take these, turn them over, and we're going to drill a hole. We're going to drill, this bit keeps coming out. We're going to drill several more holes in here. So we're going to start building our baskets. First thing we're going to do is put hay in the bottom. So put the hay in the bottom and make sure it goes up the sides. Then we're going to scoop some dirt, just a little bit of dirt. Believe it or not, there doesn't need to be very much dirt because potatoes could just grow in hay. So that's about 3 scoops. And then I'm going to take my potatoes, cut potatoes and place them around, and I'll show you how I place them. So I hope you can see in there, these are the potatoes, and I just place them around the edge of the circle, and that's the dirt. And then we're just going to put some more hay right here on top. So I just put more hay. And then I'm going to do a little more hay to go up the sides. And then we're going to put the dirt down there. So we have finished filling up our baskets. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 baskets of potatoes. These are the onions we planted. I topped it off with hay at the top. Each layer I put 5 potatoes, and sometimes you can double layer instead of doing hay, dirt, potatoes, dirt, hay. You can do hay, dirt, potatoes, dirt, potatoes, dirt, hay, if that makes sense. So these are about to be watered, and then we will wait to let it grow. What's really cool about using laundry baskets is the potatoes will start to come out of these holes. The leaves will, and the potatoes will stay in here, and the leaves will come out. So stay tuned to see our potatoes grow. So as you can see, the potatoes have started sprouting in our laundry baskets. This would be the potato leaf right here. This is just grass that sprouted from the hay that you can go in and weed it all out if you want. And where's the potato leaf right here? You can see the potato leaves coming out of the side, which is really cool. So it's easy to harvest the potatoes and the onions that we were growing. You just dump them out, the baskets, and you go through all the hay and the soil, and you dig out your potatoes. So here are our harvested, fresh garden potatoes. These were a red potato variety, so that's what these are, and we're going to enjoy them tonight.